G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A series of southeasterly changes should keep the weather mild and cloudy across most of eastern Queensland this week. Showers will be most prevalent in the tropics and exposed coastal areas further south, though we're no longer expecting any heavy falls. It's been a rather warm day with top temperatures mostly in the low 30s across the region. That's maybe 1 or 2 degrees above the March average. Might cool down a touch over coming days. On the satellite loop, lots of cloud, especially over far north Queensland. About this time a couple of days ago, it did look like a heavy rain event might be evolving here, but it doesn't look like that's happening anymore. All the uplift mechanisms and moisture just aren't there. Showers will continue though, and you can see them reasonably heavy there, especially around Cape York. Moving down the coast, there's also showers with the new southeasterly change, and you can see this arc of cloud, which represents the leading edge of the southeasterly wind change. On today's chart, there's the change itself. You can see where the tight isobars are pushing through, coming out of that big high in the bight, which is coming through, pushing through Bass Strait and moving up the coast slowly. To its north, the winds have basically been still fairly light, and there's that low that was supposed to have increased rainfall in the far north. On tomorrow's chart, the low's still there, but it weakens, so we'll still get extensive shower activity, but no heavy falls in the tropics. And we'll get stronger southeasterly winds along the remainder of the east coast with a couple of showers. Then on the outlook chart, a nice firm ridge along the coast as the high pushes out into the Tasman Sea. More mild southeasterly weather right up and down the coast. Latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots all day tomorrow. Then on Wednesday between 10 and 20 knots, so a slight drop. Thursday again the same. Fraser Island offshore. This time the southeasterlies could reach up to 25 knots on a 2-metre swell coming from the south. Wednesday's winds 15 to 20 knots, a little bit lighter on Thursday. We've got the new moon spring tide coming up tomorrow, high in the morning and low in the afternoon, with strong currents filling the time between. Be careful. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a 40% chance of showers tomorrow with possible inland thunderstorms. Bundaberg 21 to 28 degrees, Gympie 26, Hervey Bay and Maryborough 27. And looking ahead for Bundaberg, temperatures more or less average for the week ahead, slightly on the low side in the day and high side at night. Showers will come and go, but significant rainfalls not expected. And that's it for the weather, folks. Keep sending in those photos, and remember, if you have any weather-related questions you'd like answered on air, shoot us an email at asklivio@7.com.au, and I'll try my best to put something together for you. Have a nice evening. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. It's always good having you company, folks. Anything you missed, we have our replay in a moment on 7:2. The National Bulletin coming up now, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.